All right, looks like we are ready here. And we're gonna take a test straight here to get things sorted out. But this thing looks hot and it's immediately halting up. I'm gonna take a test right here. 77. Okay, that's fine. But it's immediately gonna halt up. Yeah, it's got no room on that. Um, weird one. Not faulting yet. So we got this one too, which PAVS. $11.90. So over 11.22, we can grab it. Yeah, there it is. It's not smooth, this one. Not smooth, it's not smooth. I mean, I could put a stop 11.22. It's kind of a wide stop, but I need, what is this actually? 11.50. We're chasing. Might just chase, bro. You might just keep chasing and chasing. Let's see, that's the second chase. Let's see if we can get another chase out of here. All right, it's halted. It's 11.63. PAVS here, 44. Again, I'm only going to take 7 trades today. I want to look for the best 7 trades that I could find. So here we go, 47. Could this be good here? 47. Could possibly be good. Still not too sure. Not too sure about this. It's up 130%. Could make a move here. 250 towards 50. Needs to fold 47 now. Let's fold 47. That was like a sharp return, sharp V-shaped return very quickly, so I don't think it was gonna fold. Don't make anything yet. VSME needs to be over VWAP. So what I've realized is that I gotta be more selective and really go hard on something that I'm very comfortable with. Really go big size and something that I have strong conviction in. So this one's resumed flat. So we're gonna take a dip here. And it resumes. Okay, so now we got that candle, that reclaim. So let's see if we can get something here. Start breaking over 50 and then we keep going. Okay, taking the zip and rip here, presuming lower, so I'm looking for a dip, and it's gonna be a pretty tight dip, I think. I mean, the closer to 1150 is that low, so maybe 1150 to stop. We'll see. Dip. Nope. 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 I think I got out pretty flat there. I don't know actually. Don't know actually. Let me see. 73, 74, yeah, flat. And this is going to be actually working. Wow, that's crazy. What a way to stop you out. Going to hold down, false hold. Wow, that's crazy. Not an easy dip and rip here. Not an easy one. Not an easy one there. Let's see. This has a lot of potential, but I think I might need to push this. So if I get anything 13, might need to push this, bro. 1323, 1350 maybe. Oh, look at that. Like it just very quickly comes down. Like in split second, you go from 13 to 12 to 1220, 1280. Below that was, yeah, 1280. So from like 1340 to 1280. Not clear to me yet. Not clear to me yet. CUPR. Yes. Yeah, that was a lame assumption. I waited for no dip though, that's the thing. I thought it was just going to keep going because it just assumed flat, paused, took it, went higher, waited for it, waited to give me more volume, then it came back down to my entry and I just got it out. So next time I'll wait for a dip. Next time I have to wait for a dip. Yeah, look at this. It's not clean, not clean at all. Straight to hold down. Yeah, it might be good if it holds down. Resumes like 22 maybe. Get a dip here at 22. I might take this. If it goes over 48 and we're folding, I'm gonna take this. 48 on the ask. 48.75. Yeah, I wanted to get it both, I guess. 48. 48.75 there. 48. There you go. So I need this to hold 48.75 rather. Just a little higher though. Don't want to get too caught up on that. For that breakout. I think it could come. Could come. So staying patient and ready to pull the trigger once I see it. What do we got here? Potential move here. Volume. Volume is quite low. Volume is quite low. Volume is quite low. This could be a good bell right here. No. All right. CUPR. Leaving that alone. One minute. Oh, RGNT reclaiming it? Dang, I gave up on it. Oh no, not really that low volume. All right, we might take here a dip and a rip. There's a 200 EMA here at 1122. We also got a gap. We also had a gap here on this hold up. So we might get a bounce right under 1150. So this could be good. Climbing up, this is nice. So let's get a dip and we'll get a bounce. So looking for a dip. Looking for a dip, looking for a dip. Oh wow. Looking for a dip, bro. Come on. It just climbed. No entry for me. No entry. Bro, that's crazy. What's the volume? Yeah, it's like pretty light. Bro, that's crazy. All right. RGNT, RGNT surprisingly it has made a move higher. So it's going to resume here in a couple seconds. So looking for a dip under 91. Under 91. I'll take that. 87. I'll get it out up there. So quick scalp. It's going to keep going. Actually didn't like the fact that this has, there you go. So got it out there, 19. Wow. Okay. So good. We need to hold. We need to hold these good trades because it is hot. All right. All right. Good to see. Good to see. So either take 400 out. So now we're gonna do, I mean, nice. Very nice. So we got that dip out 22, 20, out 19 actually. So we got most of that. Now it's coming down. RGNT. I think that was a one trade kind of stock. We'll see what it wants to do. RGNT here. I might take a really small size coming up here. 57 is the stop. Really small size here. Let me see if I can get that break of 4. Struggling there, but this looks very nice, very strong. So let's wait for the next candle maybe for a dip and we get the break of 4.
RGNT. RGNT.
$42. What's it gonna be here? 41. Could be a stop. That could be a good place to buy it. If it wants to reclaim and wants to give a nice bounce, but man, this one is just freaking done, bro. Hopefully this becomes a nice gap we can use later. And having trouble 40, 42, 43 is not bouncing quickly. Not bouncing quickly. Here we go. This is almost holding up. 460. This is strong, bro. This is strong. No doubt, it's pretty strong. Looking for a dip down here for 30s. It wants to give a kind of a crazy flush. And give a nice bounce. But I don't know. So there's this. So it should have failed here, here. Now we're going. We gotta go, man. We gotta explode out of here. SSR, come on, you gotta explode out of here. It's very close. It could do it. Maybe backside already. Gotta be careful on the way down if I want to take it. First massive dip. Good flush all the way down there. Would we get a dip here? We got long area, big area here where price can move into. So make one, two. I don't know, man. I've seen this look many times and it just flushes right through. So it's hard to say. Volume is increasing here in this candle. It should be C. Should be C. No real news. I mean, nothing substantial to merit that move. Straight down. This might dip at 4, bro. We'll see. I'll keep an eye on this. Watch the flush. I would like to take it at 4. If I'm going to take it, it's going to be a little lower. 427 is fine too. Yeah, that was fine. 440. Low, that was 440. Right into that gap. You build a trust to take it. Not with 1,000, maybe 400. But 1,000 would be good too. Wants to do one more time. We'll see. M10. Yeah. PAVS finally. This could be really good here. Might take a dip around under 5. Stop is 470, 471. Let's see if we can get a nice dip here. 90s was decent. Didn't really think so though. Interesting there. Might face some resistance, facing resistance at 5. 15 seconds. 91's got a lot of support there. Let's see what this next candle wants to do. The low, that was what, 90? I zip under 90, and then I will get my stop right there at 71. See if we can get it. 1 minute fair value gap here. 91 strong support though. I thought it'll break and we could find support a little lower. That's setting up very nicely. Setting up very nicely. Resistance at 5. I want to see my setup. I want to see it. I know it can give it to me. So maybe it needs one more candle. But it looks like it's gonna go. Darn it, it went for it. So no dip into this area. Looking for a nice little dip here in the like mid 80s. So that I can grab that push higher. I don't think it's ever done that, has it? No, it hasn't even done that. I thought it could do it there, but man, that was a good move. That was a great move. Wow, 70s. The RGNT very strong. Very, very strong. I think that might be it. Unless it keeps going, but I think that might be it. Good dip down here, 30s. Off this dip, it kept going higher. That's okay. That's all right. We'll wait for our setup. We can't really complain or get too agitated over it. You know, when we get the setup, that's the best part. And it gave an insane flush here, all the way down to 48. Just as I was going to start, just as I was looking away, it gave the most insane flush. Wow. If he's able to hold three, we could have something good here. Needs to hold three, no. Dang. I was gonna take 1,000, then 400, then 200. Just as it could hold three, but if it reclaims and goes back over three, could be a different story here. No, doesn't look great. My gosh, I was gonna take that dip to 216 area, but seller popped up. Disrespecting this area, disrespecting that gap. 244, I had a good target there, but no, not good, not good. Not the cleanest. All right, we're gonna call it here up 190. So today we traded really well. So now we follow the same routine we did last Friday, which is no more than 7 trades. So today we only found 4 trades that we thought were the best that fit our strategy. So let's take a look here. Let's take a look here. So let's go through the charts. So Mr. Profit offers you these awesome charts. You can click that to expand your view and look through your trade. So we took 2 trades. Let's see, we took this trade right here, 288, then out 319 on the this was a yeah, hold resumption. So no dip, got in right away, 70s, went all the way to 319, and I kept going. Actually, did dip. Did I catch this dip? Maybe I'm thinking of a different one. So I did try to catch this dip in 287 out 319 immediately. It's like a 4 second trade. Then and it kept going a little higher. Maybe I could have held, but or maybe it just took half. But it was a very first trade which we committed with big size. Actually, this might be our second trade or third. I don't remember. Well, let's go by one. How about we do that? CUPR was our first trade. So we took this, hold, resume flat, did not wait for the dip, bought it, went higher to 1323, yep. And then it came back down to my entry and I just got it out. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Also hold down and I'm thinking, okay, whatever, it's gonna hold down. It's not the right stock, but immediately false halt and it goes straight up. And I'm like, dang, that's freaking crazy how choppy that is. Anyway, that's my only trade on it. There was a nice trade right here, pre-market. I didn't take it. So tomorrow I'll trade pre-market. Today I didn't get to trade pre-market. Anyway, so we go to the next one, RGNT. Yep, so the two trades I was just talking about. Then here, well, just hold, nice winner. Then we try to go here for a gap and go in with smaller size, 200 shares, seeing if I can build in strong momentum. And if it wants to keep grinding, I want to go with it. So reject it, stop me out, and it kept moving higher, and that was pretty much it. There was a nice dip here, which could have been good down here for a move higher. And then we got last year PAVS penny stock looked very strong on this move here. Boom, big move. And I'm thinking, okay, if we hold above 45, 44, this might be an awesome area for us to get a nice curl. So tried the gap and go there at 45, 5,000 shares, and nope, out 42.58, right at the bottom, the low of that candle. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so eventually that's what happened. Um, yeah, 45, 42. Uh, wish it wasn't that big of a loss, you know, wish it could have been just 43, but you know, $100 tossed away, but that's okay. Anyway, those are our stats for today. 75% accuracy, 3 winners. Um, yeah, I guess this was a winner, flat, 1 cent. A winner's a winner in my book. So good, good, good. I mean, average winner, average loser. Yeah, I mean, our one loser was pretty big. That's okay. But the accuracy is good. So we're gonna keep pushing this week, trading much less and trying to find that stability as a trader that I've been looking for a long time, which is like, okay, I'm trading too much. At least let me show you last week. So last week I traded way too much. 25, 31. I've been doing that for some time now, and it hasn't given me good results. Well, some days uh I get some good results like here, but not as often, you know, and I think if I trade much less, it'll be I was in vacation here, so this doesn't count. Yeah, so many trades here, and it's not the best thing for me to do, so I would rather trade much less and find the best trades I could find and then smack them with big size. And that's what I did last Friday. I took a really awesome trade here with massive size. Boom, in there, gap and go, and then we took off. That's what I'm looking for. So we'll keep working on it. We'll keep keep going at it. So almost well $2,000 this month. Very good month. The best month so far of the year. So hopefully I can continue and have a couple more good days. 2 or 3 more good days on this will put a nice stamp on the month, 4K. And hopefully that's my goal, 4K. Hopefully we can achieve it, but can't make any promises. I just gotta trade what I see, trade less, trade accurately, and follow my strategy. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free, select your broker. We added Trade Zero recently, so try it out. Add your file, click Analyze. Check out all our features, really awesome features, so come check it out. So you got a journaling option where you can add photos and stuff like that. Write whatever you think happened on your day and then just write it on your journal, trade by trade analysis. Also, you got trade tagging, which is really cool. So go ahead and give it a try. It is really awesome. So um, let's see, what else have we got? So we got our testimonials from people in the community. So please check it out, read those. People really love it. People also really love the affordable price. So $5 a month, 50 a year, super affordable, the best analytics platform out there. Come check it out. Hit me up on Discord. I've been helping a lot of people in the community, um, beginner traders, you know, getting started and you know trying to build a strategy and put together some good trades. So so come hit me up on Discord, follow us on Discord, come join the channel, and I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, bright and early. Tomorrow we'll trade pre-market. All right, bye-bye.